Let me ask you, have you ever noticed that when you have a superior sense of self, or you're all about yourself, you have a superior sense of self, it's always weighed down by an anxious sense of self? And so Paul is essentially calling us to ask, how do we value our brothers and sisters here? How do we value one another? There must be, beloved, the death of self-centeredness and a delight in other-centeredness. And this not only builds one another up as fellow believers, as the family, right? This not only builds one another up. When people who are curious about Christianity see the way that we are laying our lives down for one another, the way that we are putting each other ahead of ourselves, when folks who are curious about Christianity see that, they like it, they love it, they want some more of it. It's an unassailable apologetic.